Emergence was born out of the idea of actually placing a spotlight on the innovation ecosystem. Across the next 2 days, we'll have anywhere between 750 to 1,000 attendees, 50 to 60 companies that are going to be presenting their opportunities to you. We've got 40 keynotes and panelists throughout the next 2 days. We have absolutely stacked these 2 days to make sure you get as much value as possible.
I think this year kind of standing out from the scale, the audience, the speakers.
I'm quite surprised by the breadth of types of companies and investors that have come on.
I've met a number of people already. It's certainly a good turnout.
The vibe is good and the setup is great. I was really very impressed with what I saw the minute I walked in.
We have absolutely stacked these 2 days to make sure you get as much value as possible. You're going to get access and you're going to see some incredible presentations from some amazing CEOs, fund managers, and founders behind the business that are presenting.
Emergence, how they developed in the last 7-8 years. It's kind of represents, the current local ecosystem, investment community. I think that's very important. It's great event.
Well, it's the first time I've come to this conference. I have to be honest, I didn't really know what to expect. So it's quite a unique event in that sense that it's catering for the really long-term investors, the really short-term kind of crypto investors, or even the high-risk investors like people that want to invest in startups.
Steve and the team always put on a really eclectic mix of businesses and investment options for wholesale investors in market. So it's been a positive one thus far.
This is the first time I've been at the Emergence conference. A lot of people who are inquisitive, which is great. So I've had a number of discussions, and the quality of these discussions is sort of borne out by the follow-ups. I've had a lot of people take my details, and I've taken details of a lot of people. The app's been helpful for that.
We want you to walk away from this event with 3 outcomes. We want you to basically experience high-value networking. We want it to help shape your own investment thesis about how you're thinking about markets and your own investing, and then getting access to opportunities that you don't normally get access to in the normal day-to-day.
The minute I walked in, the registration was painless, the way the event was laid out, the exhibitions, the demos, and not to mention the great coffee, the great food. So I had a great time, and the panel was exceptional. It was a great time of sharing, and I hope everyone benefited from the panel.
Thank you, the Wholesale Investor family, for everything they've done to give us this opportunity. You've done a great job.
We've done everything to make sure it's a seamless experience for you. The final point from me is this, and I say this every single year, and it happens every single year. The power of one conversation in Emergence is absolutely everything. You will meet someone here today that will be an important relationship for you in 5 years' time, and you would have absolutely forgotten that you met them here. But don't worry, I will remind you.